On the other side, we shift our attention to the controversy surrounding a film inspired by Prime Minister Modi's childhood. The Ministry of Education has issued directions to CBSE, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti asking schools affiliated to them to screen the film Chalo Jeette Hain from September 16, a day before Prime Minister's birthday to October 2nd, the Gandhi Jayanti. Centre says the film will inspire and help children to reflect on character, service and responsibility. The opposition, however, sees this as a Prime Minister promotion exercise. They didn't stop at political criticism. They went on to call Prime Minister Hitler and, lo and behold, Mickey Mouse, and alleged that the screening amounts to insult of Bapu. But viewers, this is the same Congress that named 27 out of 58 centrally sponsored schemes and institutions after members of the Nehru-Gandhi family, as revealed in an RTI reply in 2012. Guess how many schemes and institutions were named after Mahatma Gandhi? Just 4. Just 4 as opposed to 27 for the Nehru clan. Was that not self-promotion and insult to Bapu? That's the question the BJP is asking.
Even Mahatma Gandhi's birthday also Modi wants to control. On the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, October 2nd also, they want to screen a film on Modi. These kind of activities by the RSS and the education minister hurts the education system.
मोदी जी का I, me and myself, खुद के प्रति जो प्यार है, जो नार्सिज्म है, वो खत्म ही नहीं होता.
This was the last one which we were awaiting for. We have seen that Mickey Mouse from childhood. This is one more Mickey Mouse we want to see now. Last 11 years we have not seen Mickey Mouse. Now one more Mickey Mouse comes. This is what it was shameless.
Similar phenomena what once upon a time Hitler did under the instruction or the arrangements of Goebbels.
ये लोग अपमान करने वाले हैं महात्मा गांधी का. महात्मा गांधी के विचारों के ध्वजवाहक अगर कोई है तो वो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी है, और कांग्रेस से सर्टिफिकेट की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, उनके समझ में नहीं आया.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
And joining Shehzad Poonawalla and Tehseen Poonawalla on this debate is Sujata Pandey and Vivek Srivastava. I want to ask Sujata Pandey. Sujata Pandey, there is such a hoo-la-la about the screening of the Prime Minister's childhood film in Kendriya Vidyalayas and Navodaya Vidyalayas. The Congress's objection is that this is dictatorship, this is Hitler, this is Mickey Mouse, and this is taking away from the sanctity of the school curriculum. How do you respond to it?
Navika, it's baffling to see Congress party opposing this documentary screening in schools, because the same Congress party which had for decades used Doordarshan as its own property to propagate the idea of the Nehruvian history, from his Panchashil to the idea of the modern institution, the father of the post-independence, and his do not forget the Bharat Ek Khoj Shrinkhala, which used to bore people to the core, but then it used to run because, well, it was Nehru family. You know, I mean, it's baffling. Why is Congress objecting to it? What is the fuss about? What is the fear? Are they fearing that when the Prime Minister's documentary would come out, the history of the Nehruvian, the leftist propaganda will come out? Or probably the scams and scandals during Indira Gandhi or the Rajiv Gandhi's transformation of the IT in India, the truth will come out. Or probably they cannot make a film on Rahul Gandhi, because what is there to make a film on Rahul Gandhi? It will be a comedy with no substance. So it will be a flop anyway. So they are objecting to Narendra Modi. But having said that, let's just talk serious numbers. You know, do you not think, whether you agree from Narendra Modi's politics or ideology or no, but do you not think that a leader who has impacted and fundamentally changed the lives and millions of the women specifically should not be documented? For 10 crore women who have been taken out from the smoke-filled kitchen by the Ujjwala Yojana, from the Beti Bachao Beti. It took 64 years, Navika, after independence for India to think that women were denied basic dignity. They were get denied of having a toilet in their house. This man built the toilet, and then you called him a toilet ka pradhan mantri hai. Then you said, "Ye kaisa propaganda? Ye kaisa sarfiraya? What is he building?" And but then he said, "Oh,
but this is Tehseen Poonawalla, please respond to Sujata Pandey.
But no, just 30 seconds. 30 seconds, just 30 seconds, Navika. Do you not think that this history should be taught, because it is a history of not one person, it is a history of possibility that an Indian democracy offers you. From a chaiwala becoming the prime minister of this country to the largest democracy of the world, do you not think that the children should read about it, especially the Gen Zs who are always self-doubting themselves? They want 1 minute Maggie type noodle result in every day.
Okay, Sujata Pandey, allow Tehseen Poonawalla to respond. Sujata Pandey has very little time. Tehseen Poonawalla.
Instant noodles is not good for your health. You should not have it. I'm very clear about it. In the same instance, instant noodles is not good for your health. Even certain movies, if a news channel, for example, Times Now wants to talk about the Honorable Prime Minister, they're free to do it. To make kids go through this, just because you felt Nehru did something, if Nehru did something was wrong, 2 wrongs don't make a right. Let me explain. 2 wrongs make it a wrong. So Prime Minister Modi in 2025
so
should
will
not
you apologize? Will you apologize for calling every institution, the JNU, the Indira Gandhi Open University? Will you please apologize today for naming them after the Nehru Gandhi family? Tehseen Poonawalla, your time starts now.
The gentleman who's in government should change the name if they are wrong names, if they are bad names. He cannot do it.
ये गलती करेंगे, सुधारना आपका काम है.
नहीं, वो तो तहसीन की बात सही है कि इन्होंने जो गलतियां की है 60-65 वर्षों में, उसी को हम सुधार रहे हैं. और तो जब सुधारते हैं तो नाचने ना लगे. नाउ तहसीन पूनावाला comes and says that Nehru was wrong. I'm glad he said Nehru was wrong. So let me tell you, 530 educational institutions were named after Nehru and Indira Gandhi. That time it was not imposition. In fact, Jagriti movie, which aligned with Congress's ideology, was displayed on all the schools in 1954. That was not against the rules. That was not imposition. In 1964, Nehru's biography was depicted in all the schools. That was also as per the rules. Then we have seen the manner in which Bharat Ratna was given to themselves by Nehru ji and by Indira ji. So I think they should start by returning the Bharat Ratna, and 450 schemes from toilets to airports were named after one family. That time it was not imposition. Today there is no imposition. It is a request, and that also it's a value-based movie. It is not a leader-based movie. But they don't want the values of character building and selfless service to the nation, because they don't like OBC Kamdar. They want the example of Nepo kids. If it was a movie on Nepo kids, Tehseen Poonawalla would start for it.
Well, Vivek Srivastava,
there is no comparison in Nehru and Prime Minister Modi. Nehru थे, फाउंडिंग फादर ऑफ द नेशन थे, 16 साल से ज्यादा जेल में रहते. मोतीलाल नेहरू के बेटे थे, सारे पैसों को छोड़ करके स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में उतरे थे. यहाँ ये नहीं, एक मिनट, यहाँ पे ये
कहाँ से
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, यू कांट इवन कंपेयर. आई एम सेइंग नेम एवरीथिंग आफ्टर नेहरू एंड मिसेस गांधी. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. ये उनकी बराबरी करेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी. एंड और मेरी कांग्रेस से ऑब्जेक्शन है, व्हाई आर यू यूजिंग मिक्की माउस? आप क्यों इंसल्ट कर रहे हो मिक्की माउस की? भाई मिक्की माउस एंड मिनी माउस हम बचपन से देख रहे थे, ये बच्चों के आइकन्स हैं, उनकी इंसल्ट करोगे आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर से कंपेयर करके? मत करो. क्यों करते हो भाई?
Vivek Srivastava, your outrage is touching, but I'm saying this is happening for a period of 14 days or maybe a little less. 14 दिन में आपको ऐसी क्या तकलीफ हो रही है कि किसी चैप्टर में नहीं है, किसी स्कूल का नाम नहीं बदला जा रहा, कोई कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं जा रहा, सिर्फ how you can go from a simple life and achieve the highest post of the country. It's an inspirational thing. Where is the problem? I'm not getting it. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इंस्पिरेशन से आपको प्रॉब्लम है? इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज से प्रॉब्लम है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Because in an electoral democracy like India, your constitution says don't misuse the government institutions for self-promotion of political ideology.
10 seconds. 10 seconds,
I have just listed how many institutions were named after Nehru Gandhi family, but because Vivek ji said that it should be named after Nehru, they should start with Ajoy Bhavan. Navika, tomorrow they should call Ajoy Bhavan as Nehru Bhavan, and they should remember Nehru dismissed their first elected government. क्यों विवेक जी? अच्छा ख्याल है.
सुधाकर जी, इतना पेट में दर्द क्यों है इनको? अगर 2 हफ्ते कुछ हो जाए तो
just dismiss Nehru, Gandhi, the entire clan. Wow.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the opposition always finds something to actually give them anxiety. Right now, it is the issue of a film on the Prime Minister's childhood. To me, everything can be looked at from 2 points of view. One, it's bad and we can go cry horse. On another, I look at it as an inspirational story. An inspirational story of a person from the very, very modest background coming up in life, even succeeding in achieving the highest position, the Prime Minister's position in a country like India. Is it a story of inspiration, a story of India as a land of opportunity, or is it a story that should disturb the opposition in the manner that it is? Well, I don't know. You decide. We leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe.